Hi beautiful people, today's video is sponsored by RobeCurls. They sent me their curling headband that creates flawless 1 inch to 1.5 inch heatless curls. I was super excited to see how the curls would come out on this hair, but I was a little nervous too. So I got the headband and it comes with 2 scrunchies. I started off by putting some mousse in my hair and brushed that through. You can achieve heatless curls with either damp hair or dry hair, but I decided to do it damp because I wanted to make sure I got some curls at the end of the day. I was scared to do it dry. So right here, I'm just putting the hair up on the side just to hold it in place, and then soon I'll go in and I'll start wrapping my hair on the other side. So this just holds your headband in place. So you'll take one piece of your hair and you'll wrap it around the back of the band, pull it through, and then you'll add another piece of hair and wrap that through with the previous piece of hair. And then you just continue to do this down the headband, and once you get to the end, you will secure that with a scrunchie. So this is me just going back and forth, wrapping it, back and forth, wrapping it, and also combing through the hair to make sure that I don't have any kinks. Now that I finished wrapping my hair, I'm taking one of those scrunchies and I'm wrapping it around the hair to secure it in place, and then I'll go on to the next side to wrap that hair around the band. So here I'm just twisting the hair around, and I'll secure that with the second scrunchie that I received with the headband, and I'll wrap the hair to the back and intertwine both parts at the bottom because the headband has wires in it, and it makes it easy to move the headband how you want, to twist the hair around it and to secure it in the back. So it creates this cute headband look. You can wear this throughout the day or overnight. Here's the moment that you've both been waiting for, the results. I was really nervous, y'all, because I've never tried to achieve heatless curls at all, and I've seen the videos and I was like, does it really work, you know? So I left the headband in for about 4 hours and 30 minutes, so under 5 hours, and these are the curls that I achieved. I was struggling a little bit right here trying to get it unraveled, but it's okay. Watch how these curls come out. Just watch. See, I was shocked. Look at those curls. They look so good. And this is under 5 hours. Like, imagine if I would have let it sit all night. So here I'm taking out the other side, and I was a little disappointed because this side of my head was still kind of wet, which I did not realize before I took the band out, but the curls still look nice. I tend to go overboard with my moves sometimes, so that's why that happened. And these are the results, you guys. I think it looks so good. I will be using this curling band for everything now, whenever I want some curls in my head. This is a great way to not damage your hair with curling irons, and just an easy way to curl your hair. I would like to thank RobeCurls for sponsoring this video and sending me this curling headband. I love it. Thank you guys so much. Go ahead and get you one. I'll leave the link down below in my description box. And until next time, peace.